So in this video we are going to see how to we are going to get introduced to the arithmetic operators. So the arithmetic operators are the addition operator and the subtraction operator and the multiplication operator. This symbol denotes multiplication operator. And next we are using the division operator and then the percentage operator. This is for calculating remainder, this modulus symbol. This is called the modulus symbol and it is used to calculate the remainder. So here we will declare two variables of integer type and we will ask the user to enter value for both the integer types. For both the integer type variables. Next, before in the previous lecture we have seen how to use the scanf statement and get the input for variables. So we are going to apply the same syntax in this program also to get the value for the variables a and variables b. Next we will use another, we will in the declaration we will use another variable also, but another variable is sum, then diff is short. I have written the diff shortly for difference, then multiplication. To store the product value we are using the variable mul, and we are using div to store the division, the result of division. And next we will use the variable name mod to store the remainder. When we operate on the operands using the modulo operator, whatever remainder will be stored in the mod variable. So you can give sum is equal to a plus b, difference is equal to a minus b, multiplication is equal to a into b. This symbol is into for into. Division is equal to a by divided by b. Mod is equal to a modulus b. So we have added a and b. We have added a and b and stored the value in the sum variable. We have subtracted the values in a and b and stored the difference in diff variable, and we have multiplied the values in a and b, and we have stored the result of multiplication in the mul variable. Similarly, we have stored the result of dividing a by b in the div variable. And finally, whenever we divide a by b, and if we get any remainder, that is stored in the mod variable. Now we will print all these variable values. A plus b is equal to, we can give a plus b is equal to percentage d how to declare, how to display the value of a variable we have seen in the previous lectures itself, so it may be familiar to you. I need not explain all these steps. So now let's run the program and check the output. So enter the value for a and b. First I am giving value for a as 12, and then for next I am entering the value for b as 5 and pressing enter. So a plus b is equal to 17. 12 plus 5 is equal to, obviously it is 17. A minus b, 12 minus 5 is 7. A into b, 12 into 5 is 60. 12 divided by 5 will give 2. And 12 when we divide 12 by 5, we are getting as a remainder as 2. So the results are correct, and these are the arithmetic operators available in the C language, and we have done a program regarding them in this lecture. In the next lecture we will see what are the conditional operators, what are the relational operators, and we will introduce the if statement in the next lecture. Thank you.